In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Framedyn.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check our system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Simply search for the DLL missing file and put download. Hit enter, click on the first option, scroll down and simply click the download button corresponding to your system type and wait for this to be downloaded. Okay, so here it is. Now once done, click on the folder icon. Then make a right click, select extract all, click on extract. Now copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, scroll down to the System32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYS Wow 64. Right-click and then select Paste. Click on Replace the file in the destination. After doing so, simply close all the windows and then right-click at the Start button. Shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ or Distributable and hit Enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download link corresponding to your system type. And once it has been downloaded, simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.